In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare for filing taxes in QuickBooks Online. Before you file taxes, it's important to make sure your books are clean, accurate, and up to date. Taking a little time to review everything now can help you avoid mistakes later and make the filing process much smoother. To begin, reconcile all of your bank and credit card accounts through the end of the year. In QuickBooks Online, click the gear icon at the top right, then select Reconcile to get started. Reconciling means comparing what's in QuickBooks with your bank and credit card statements so you can confirm that every transaction matches correctly. This is a key part of year-end preparation because it helps catch missing entries, duplicates, or errors before you file taxes. As you work through each account, make sure you reconcile up to the final statement ending at the end of the year so your records are complete. Once your accounts are reconciled, the next step is to review your main financial reports. On the left-hand menu, click Reports, then select Standard Reports. From there, open the Profit and Loss Report and the Balance Sheet Report. Run both reports and take time to review them carefully. The Profit and Loss Report shows your income and expenses for the year, which is essential for understanding your taxable business activity. The balance sheet gives you a snapshot of what your business owns, what it owes, and the overall financial position at year-end. As you review these reports, look for anything unusual, incomplete, or inconsistent so you can correct it before moving forward. After that, classify any uncategorized transactions. To do this, go to Bank Transactions under Accounting. If any transactions are still uncategorized, assign them to the appropriate account or expense category. This step is especially important because uncategorized transactions can cause your reports to be inaccurate, which can affect your tax preparation. Try to make sure every transaction has a clear and correct category so your records properly reflect your business activity. Once you've reconciled your accounts, reviewed your reports, and classified any uncategorized transactions, you'll be in a much better position to file taxes confidently in QuickBooks Online. Keeping these areas organized not only helps at tax time but also gives you a clearer picture of your business finances overall.